In the last video, we looked at email and calendar APIs, and so Pathfix is the natural next tool to focus on because Pathfix acts as a man in the middle when it comes to services that require OAuth authentication. If you've ever been inside another SaaS app and you see a sign in with Google, and maybe you're sharing your calendar with something like Calendly, in order for Calendly, that SaaS app, to be able to view events in your own calendar, you are authorizing Calendar to access your account, but you would not ever just put in your own Google password and email address into Calendly and trust them to store that on their servers. That's why OAuth was invented, because it allows you to go from Calendly to Google, secure Google, sign in through Google, and then a load of mysterious exchanging of temporary tokens, etc., get passed between them. And that's why a platform like Pathfix becomes very helpful, because doing OAuth in Bubble manually is possible, but it's a real pain and it takes a very long time to get it right. There's a lot of testing, a lot can go wrong. And so what Pathfix will do is they'll provide you with a single API. And I just want to see, where can I get a list of all of the platforms that they support? Under integrations, here we go. So if you want to allow your users to sign into their Intercom account, their Zoom account, their HubSpot account, anything that's listed here, we've got Notion, we've got Gmail, but again, be aware of restraints that Google places, because Pathfix is just sitting in the middle. You still need to have a developer account set up with each of these applications. The actions that users take, so for example, if you triggered sending an email through your Bubble app and you wanted to send that through someone's Google Mail account, that is still going to be linked to your Google developer account. But Pathfix takes care of the authentication, and they provide a really simple API for connecting through to any of these services here. That you've got accounting, you've got CRMs, loads and loads. The list gets bigger each time I check it. So if you've seen any services there that you think are crucial to allow your users to log into, I'd really recommend factoring the cost of Pathfix, which I don't think is extortionate. There you go. You can start at $30, $29 a month. Factor that in. It's just worth it because of the amount of time it will take to experiment with OAuth in Bubble and probably get it wrong and probably not get it working. I would just go Pathfix from the start.